Hey guys, Kenny here, Ken Small Engines. Got some cheaters on because I'm getting old, can't see too well. But anyway, this video is about an Echo backpack blower, a PB265L. A lady who used to work for me, nice lady. I've been servicing her equipment for a number of years now. Just can't get it started. Said she's had it, for a while. Just can't get it started. It's okay. I think I remember servicing it years ago. It's not a brand new one. It's an old, an old Echo. These are the consumer versions you get at Home Depot, 265s. They're small. Anyway. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully it's something simple, but enjoy. And I'll show you the trick about the high-speed adjustment plug that you take out with a jeweler screwdriver, and see if we can get this thing running. All right, enjoy. Talk to you later. All right, guys, just a quick one on this Echo PB265L. Customer said they couldn't get it started, and the reason why they couldn't get it started because the fuel in it was disgusting. It was real dark green and smelled terrible and all that. But also, as you see in my Instagram photo, the purge return line that goes over here was too short. Look at the end. The end was all wallowed out, and it was hanging out and just sticking out. So if you hit the purge bulb, it would piss fuel all over the place. The grommet looked okay, but I went to the dealer and I said, you know what, give me a fuel filter, give me a grommet, give me the fuel lines, whatever. Problem is, the grommet he gave me, if you notice, look at the size of the grommet he gave me versus the size of the one that's in there. Echo has 3 different size grommets, and if you don't get the right one, you're in trouble. This one's okay with the new fuel line and everything. It works fine, it doesn't leak. I cleaned it up, so it's fine. So what I did, basically, I put in a new purge return line, fuel line, and a new fuel filter. The filter that's there is here. It's the original fuel filter. It's a little crusty. Let me set up so we can take a look at it. Be right back. All right, we're back. If you've never taken apart a fuel filter before, it's pretty simple. This is actually a Walbro, where are you? Walbro filter, you can see. Oh, it says Walbro right there. I don't know if you could read it. It's a Walbro filter. So basically, it has a clip on it. You can see the clip. And you just take the clip off, okay, with a screwdriver. All right. Take it off of each side. Oh, where are we? Take the clip off of each side. Okay. When you take the clip off, you can separate the filter, okay? And you can see the felt, and you can see the mesh screen that's in there, okay? Now this mesh screen, actually, it is not too bad. Oh, actually, you know what, guys? This is actually a felt screen. Usually they're wire mesh filters that go inside the fuel filter there. They're usually wire screens. This one is actually a cloth mesh. That must be on the newer ones. Instead of having a fine wire mesh sieve like you see inside two-stroke carburetors, it's actually a cloth filter or strainer, if you will. So never knew that about the newer filters. Instead of having wire, it's cloth. And this one looks okay, but like I said, the filter's original. What's a filter? $5, $4. I change them, So let's get back to what we're doing and see if that sucker runs. Okay, another thing I did on Instagram, guys, is I showed you the hidden high-speed adjustment screw hole right there. See that hidden hole right there? Where are you? See right there? There's a black piece of plastic in there. So you take a jeweler screwdriver like this, you heat it up. I use a torch like this. I heat it up. I heat up the screwdriver so it's nice. Where are we? Where's my camera? Uh-oh. Oh, I heat it up. Come on, where's the camera? I can't even find it. Oh. Hello, where's my camera? Where's that thing? Oh, here we go. That's why. Come on, focus. I take my jeweler's screwdriver, a very small screwdriver. I heat it up with that little butane torch. Then you stick it in that hole right there. Where is it? You stick it in that brass hole with a black plug in the center of it. You stick it in all the way till it goes all the way down. You let it sit for about 10 seconds, let it cool off, and then that black plug will pull right out. Now you got high-speed adjustment, okay? So you can adjust it so if it's four-stroking a little bit or not enough power, you can turn it in to lean it, or you can turn it out to richen it to give you the right mixture. All right, let me set it up here. Let's give it a few pulls and let's see if she starts. Like I said, didn't do anything to the plug, didn't even touch the plug, you know. So we're just gonna give it a pull and see what happens. These things here, I call them child's backpacks. They're really small CC. They're very, very tiny if you look at them compared to a regular backpack. That's about the best I'm going to get the RPM on there. I tend to err on the rich side, so I will turn it clockwise lean until it starts to go crazy a little bit, and then I'll try and get the highest reading I can until it starts to four stroke on the rich side, which is counterclockwise. Once it starts to burble with the four stroke, I give it about a quarter turn to the right, a little bit more lean, and it should be fine. So there is fresh fuel in there. I'm going to tell this customer, use a fresh 2-mix fuel. Use the pre-mix fuel that you get at Home Depot or Lowe's, because those fuels are great. They work good. This person, very small yard. She just blows the grass clippings and stuff when she uses it. So, you know, a fairly inexpensive fix. A couple of fuel hoses, a fuel filter. All right, a little bit of brake clean I use to blow things off and clean up the carb, because the carb was a little filthy and the gas tank was a little filthy too, so I cleaned that off. The bushing he gave me at the dealer, my buddy, I got to tell him, Ronnie, he gave me the wrong bushing. But anyway, the bushing was still okay on that one, so that's good. Fuel filter was replaced, so that repair is done. Now we got to go to her Toro with the Kohler, Pate's favorite, and you know what happens with those. The Kohler jets are always plugged. So I got to unplug that jet and get that going, then I could deliver these things. But look what somebody dropped off today. Just like Henry says, free! 2 Troy-Bilt chipper shredders. Free, no bags. I don't think he had a bag. I think he just used them for shredding. He didn't bag anything, but for free. They're self-propelled too. They're actually self-propelled. They have transmissions on them and everything, but 2 of these things, I mean, brand new, these were like $1,200, $1,300. So I'll probably flip them. I'm not a flipper, but get them for free, get them running. They do have my favorite engine. We all know and love the Tecumseh. So we'll get these 2 running, and yeah, we'll do some videos on those too. All right, we still got the old Simplicity tiller. We got to get some spark on that and get that running. We got the value added mower. That plastic piece is coming today. It says it's coming via DHL, so we'll get that going. So that'll get delivered. The wheel horse, the wheels are out. We're ready to, they're at the dealer right now getting mounted, so we'll have those. And what else do I have? I have a package there with some stainless pipe in it for the exhaust, but that's going to be for the video on the tractor. All right, guys, PB265L, little blower. They work okay. Small homeowner blower, so they're fine. Any questions, comments, suggestions, let me know, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe. Join me on my live show every Sunday, Eastern Time, 8 o'clock. I will be on Mix this afternoon, which is Saturday at 1:30 Eastern Time, which is 6:30 UK time. Join me there as well with Mick and the gang. We have a lot of fun. Okay, guys, that's it for me. We'll talk to you soon.